Hello, it's Jennifer with unusual video with hairstyle from 60s. Of course, it's not my decade and I don't wearing such clothes. I wearing clothes from 50s and earlier. This one of iconic hairstyles by Brigitte Bardot, it's called like half up, half down. Of course, it is 60. Of course, it's buffoned, a big buffoned, and of course, this makeup I took from Brigitte Bardot, and really I didn't before this makeup and this hairstyle, and really not expected result for me, and I like it, really like it. Such makeup I did in my school, like in 15th or 16th, and like little nostalgia. What do you think? How do you think is this look is matching me or not? Because really it's I didn't before such looks, such hairstyles. So write in comments what do you think. All hairstyles by Brigitte Bardot, it's like she just wake up, make some few manipulations with her hair and go into the sunny day, sunny walk, and really I like her movies. I like Brigitte Bardot, very frivolity, I think, in her behavior, and really it's like another part of me. Yes, not only ideal hairstyles, this messy hair I like so much, really. And I want to go outside to try how people will react on me, because I know how they react when I in 50s, 40s, but in this hairstyle and this look, it's really something new for me, and I can't wait to go outside. It's not very difficult, because it's you don't need to do ideal hairstyle, you just need to do big buffound here, some combing here, and you're ready! But don't forget about bow. So let's start. Foam roller 30mm overnight. Then I lightly brush my hair, where I will do buffound, and start to do this. Before teasing, I'm using hairspray for better teasing. If your hair is clean, it's more difficult to do it without hairspray. So I'm teasing. I need to do a biggest buffound. I haven't a lot of hair, so I'm using the base for my buffound. I will use the base with hair that I took from my prom hairstyle, but also you can use a donut, or don't use anything if you have a lot of hair. With silicone hair tea, fixing my hair at the back. and starting to work with the front. A little tease and fixing the hair behind my ear. I don't have a bang, so I made it in this way. Last preparations is to comb and brush the rest of the hair. Of course hairspray, but not a lot as in all my hairstyles before. Just a little to fix the buffoned and the front hair. And of course the bow. Done! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow my channel for more hairstyle tutorials. Can't wait to see your reaction in comments on this 60s tutorial. Bye bye!